Jordan Peterson's 10th rule for life, be precise in your speech, is a mantra that guides many on a path of self-improvement. This statement, coming from the wisdom of a renowned psychologist, emphasizes the utmost significance of precise speech. Now let's dive into a real-life example. Picture Keanu Reeves, the Hollywood star known for his roles in The Matrix and John Wick. His precision in speech has been a key factor in his success. It not only fosters clear and effective communication but also breeds understanding, respect, and success. This simple concept may seem ordinary, yet the profound influence it has in navigating our lives is indisputable. A grasp of the rule's importance. Let's continue this episode where we delve deeper into its application in action. Let's take a moment to picture Keanu Reeves, the Hollywood legend renowned for his performances in The Matrix and John Wick. What sets Reeves apart, in addition to his on-screen prowess, is his meticulousness in articulation. He's an individual who selects his words with great care, be it while dissecting a script or expressing his perspectives in an interview. But Reeves' precision in speech mere clarity. It cultivates relationships, enhances communication, and builds bridges where walls might have existed. This precision is not just commendable but also pivotal to his accomplishment. It facilitates him in conveying his thoughts unambiguously and effectively, engendering comprehension and admiration among his colleagues and followers alike. This very admiration has played a significant role in bolstering his popularity and triumph. And what does this signify for us? It paints a striking picture of Jordan Peterson's 10th life rule: be precise in your speech. By being precise, you can communicate more effectively, garner respect, and attain success, just like Keanu Reeves. Hence, as exemplified by Keanu Reeves, precision in your speech can be a conduit to respect and success. So what deeper insights can we glean from Peterson's 10th rule and Reeves' embodiment of this principle? Precision in speech is not a mere exercise in semantics, it's a profound tool that can revolutionize our interactions and elevate our communication skills. To understand this better, let's delve into various facets of precision in speech. Firstly, it's about mutual comprehension, being understood and deciphering the intentions and thoughts of others. Precision in speech nurtures understanding, paving the way for empathetic, authentic conversations that can strengthen our relationships and foster success in our personal and professional lives. Moreover, it serves as a bridge, a conduit, not just between ideas but also between people. It's about constructing bridges of dialogue instead of erecting walls of misunderstanding. Think of it as a tool for conflict resolution. When we precisely articulate our thoughts and feelings, we leave little room for misinterpretation and hence reduce the chances of unnecessary conflicts. Next, consider how precision in speech can aid in expressing complex ideas. The beauty of precise speech lies in its ability to distill complex ideas into digestible, comprehensible bits. It's a skill that can help us share our ideas with clarity and impact. But the influence of precise speech beyond just our external interactions. It also impacts our internal thought processes and behavior. Psychologically, it nudges us towards clearer thinking and encourages introspection. The practice of precision in speech can foster critical thinking, promote self-awareness, and fuel personal growth. In conclusion, remember Jordan Peterson's incisive advice about being precise in your speech. Take inspiration from Reeves's example of how adopting precision in communication can leave a positive and lasting impression on those around you. The benefits are multifaceted and far-reaching, encompassing both our external relationships and internal cognition. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, wield the power of precise speech and watch how it transforms your interactions and perception.